Right, so we're going to teach you today how to remove the charging port for the Zero 10X, or for that matter for any other Zero scooters.
Have the charger on.
Okay,
Take out the first screw.
alright, so remove the cover on the side, and we have the charging port. Okay, so this is previously connected to the battery. We have disconnected it just to save time, but there you go. Okay, so this one is isolated from the rest of the system, and we are now ready to remove this charging port.
If there's an charging spot.
Okay, so on the charging port here, you will see this flat surface, right? So we will use that flat surface to clamp using a plier, right? We'll remove it. You can just stick a finger behind to kind of stop there's a nut inside. Just use your finger to stick it in and use the plier to undo this. And then from there on, it's basically just hand loosen. You can loosen it by hand. That's it. There you go. Removing a charging port in under a minute. Alright, let's do it for the second one. For the second one, alright, let's go. Let's see how long it takes for us to remove the second one. Again, stick your finger in so that the nut doesn't move around, and once you loosen it a little bit, you can hand loosen it. A little bit more to go, and there you go, under a minute. Okay, how about now if we show you how to put it back? Okay, so insert it just the same way it came out, with this rubber washer intact. Slot this ring through. This ring basically tightens it from inside. That's the same ring that you would need to use your finger to jam it up so it doesn't rotate together with the outside part of the charging port. But okay, so use your finger to keep the ring from moving on the inside, and then just hand tight the outside screw. Okay, and finally, do you want to tighten it with the pliers, the vice grip we have here. Okay, just hand tight it would do. It's fairly stable. Bing! Less than a minute. Alright, thank you.